get personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. I'm normally not on the camera during the week, but I'm gonna try to do better with giving you some footage during the week, okay? So I just logged off from work and I'm in my closet. And I'm trying to make some changes in here to try to see if I can gain a little more space. So I'm just playing around with some things. I'm not quite sure how it's going to be, but let me just show you what I am doing. Okay, family, so I'm in here and here's an empty space down here, which used to house these shoe cases, okay? Now, this space right here used to have my black bench right here that is now in front of my bed now that I have the rug. So I'm trying to utilize this space here because this whole wall, this vertical space here was just here. It was empty. And because my closet is not as big as I would need it, I'm going to try to utilize that space a little bit more. But I'm not sure how much I like the fact that when I walk in, these shoe cases are out further, much further than this, because I'm not able to flush them to the wall because of the baseboard. Okay, so you see how much room is still. Now, when they were up under here, it didn't really matter because it don't matter. It's up under where my clothes are. So I'm not sure. At first I was super confident about them being here, but now I don't know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it. And just play around and see if I should still, because I need more shoe cases. Because up here it's a wrap up here. I need my boot boxes because I don't actually have space in here to take my boots out and stand them up and display them that way. So for right now, I still need my boot boxes. It's just, what do I need to do down here to utilize more space? Because I know I'm going to be in this home for at least another year. And let me turn you guys around. Like I was saying, I know I'm going to be in this home for at least another year. And I know in a year's time, I'm going to purchase more shoes. It's just inevitable, you know, because I love shoes. I love purses. So with that being said, I need to figure something out here. And now I'm not quite sure. I'm trying to figure it out, y'all, but just wanted to let y'all know what I'm doing. And once I figure out it's something temporary, I will let you all see it. Not to mention, I also have like all my sunglasses, my readers. I need storage for those, and help me. But yeah, I'm trying to figure it out and we'll see. All right, I'll update y'all in a little while. Okay, family, so again, temporarily, I have, just hope you can see because it's not much room. Just move this like this. I moved my most recent bag purchases right here until I can find a different way to display them. Thought I was going to be able to fit my new Maggie tote on here, but she's too tall. So we're just going to keep that as is. These containers right here have a lot of jewelry in it. One day I'm going to figure out a storage for that outside of the closet, or maybe utilize more of this wall. But I'm really trying to keep this wall open because I anticipate stacking more of these and let those just continue to go up. I'm gonna get cases for these. Shoe boxes will have to be there, stored in another closet. Hope I got room for those. Not too sure about that. I put my laundry basket under here. This basket has a lot of swimsuits and stuff like that in it. That basket has, I don't know, in it. I think it's got like my suitcase covers, and I don't know. Clearly it's something I need because it's still in there. This is a container with purse charms. Those are socks. Got more eyeglasses and sunglasses down there. This bin over here is those are t-shirts that I wear around the house or sleep in. And yeah, for now, this is what we're working with. I honestly like it better because before my laundry basket was sitting up against this wall. And I don't know, right now it just seems a lot more open and I like that. So it is what it is for right now. I do like this setup a little bit better.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side.
Happy Saturday, family. I am up doing a few plant chores, and I am so happy about my Florida Beauty plant right here. And this is Aretha Franklin, and guys, like, she was really skimpy. Like, you can see how it's just leaves there and then all of these branches and everything in between. She used to be really full, and I was like, oh my God, what's going on with her and everything. And just recently, a few months ago, I put her in this windowsill. You guys, can you see? You see all these leaves right here and down here? All of those are new leaves. So it lets me know, like, she just needed to be in a different spot here in the house, and she's starting to grow more leaves. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm also excited about, I think I told you guys about this one already, but this is my plant that I named after Jalen. And this plant used to be in my foyer by the front door. And he just started to look really skimpy, losing a lot of leaves. Some of the leaves were doing what you see. I don't know if you can see because of the sun. Yeah, there you go. It was doing this, and they were growing out like this. Like, that was just weird to me, like this big one. And I was getting really concerned because this is, all the other plants can go, but this plant cannot go. This is one of the peace lilies from Jalen's service. So since putting him over here by this window, he used to be over here anyways. He used to be over here in this corner. And I moved him. And I never should have done that. And it's okay because now he's letting me know he's happy. We're full. We're growing leaves and everything. And he's just perky and just so happy over here. And it makes me happy. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all on this morning. Hey, family. So I just filmed a TikTok in the kitchen and brought everything back in here and forgot to show you my latest purchase from Coach. Give me 1 second. Let me get it out of the bag and I'll show you. All right, family. So Here she is. My new Merlot clogs from Coach to go with my girl right there. Love them. They are super comfortable. Very stylish in my opinion. Definitely my vibe. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I just realized I had put everything up and didn't share it with you all. So that's my newest girl. Added to my collection. Still have only worn those right here maybe once, or yeah, I can't even think twice, but once. But those are comfortable as well. But I'm definitely ready to wear these.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
Really, Marshalls? Can we get the floor?
Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Happy Sunday, family. Look, I am just around the house doing a few things. Nothing special. Nothing special now. As you can see, the bed. We are washing sheets. Let me just show you what we got going on. Again, nothing special. Just doing what we do on Sundays, y'all. I don't have anything planned. I just need to go get gas for the week, and that's it. But let me show you. Yeah, we just doing what we do. We got the sheets drying, getting ready to put those back on the bed. I got my load of darks that I hang up that we need to get out and hang up in the other bathroom. I have 2 more loads left. Got my white towels in that laundry bag, and we got white clothes in this laundry bag right here. So yeah, and like I said, we are just waiting to put the sheets back on the bed, and of course we are watching early morning football. This is an international game. They're playing in Berlin. This is the Colts versus the Falcons. And right now, as you can see, the Colts are down by a point. And I'm interested to see if these Falcons can pull off this upset. So, yeah. Like I said, just doing normal Sunday things. And, oh, y'all, look. Did I show y'all my new space heater? Y'all love this darn thing. I caught it on sale at what's that place? Sam's Club. $64. I believe this is a 33-inch. Most ones that I looked up, they were 23 inches and 22 inches, and they cost more than this one. And yeah, I love it. Oh my God, this boy done ran 1,000 yards for this touchdown. Jonathan Taylor. OMGG. Just when I said, would the Falcons hold off on this lead? Well, we'll see what they do when they come back around. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I'm going to get these clothes hung up, and then I need to fix me something to eat. I'm a little hungry. You know, I normally don't eat breakfast during the week. Well, I don't eat breakfast during the week, but I do sometimes fix me some breakfast on the weekend. So this will be my first breakfast of the weekend, and yeah, I just saw something. Hold on. Okay, I'll get that. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all and call y'all back in a minute. All right.
what you want now. Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything.